How to add people on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can add people on Spotify. Now the process is quite simple. Simply open up the Spotify app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. You can see the gear icon, tap on it, and you want to tap on your profile. You can see the view profile option, tap on it. And now here, what you want to do is tap on the three dots option that you can see beside the edit option. Simply tap on three dots option there and you can see the very first option, find friends. Simply tap on find friends and you'll be able to connect Facebook. You can connect your Facebook, and once you connect Facebook, your friends will show up here, any friends that have connected to Facebook account with Spotify as well. Now the other way is here at the search bar. You can head into search bar and you can search in for the user that you want to follow, and once you're searching for the user that you want to follow, what you can do is I'll just open up this artist profile here. Now you'll get the follow option along with their profile there. Simply follow them and you can add them that way. So this is the way you can add people on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.